It's no secret. I mean, we love Walt Disney very much, and we were very fond of him as a human being, aside from being a great boss. And when we first played our ideas for Mary Poppins for Walt Disney, we played this song among a couple of other things that he had written that we thought would work nicely for the picture. And we did a lot of talking that day. And I remember at the end of this meeting, a long meeting, he said, "Play me that Bird Lady song again." So I played it again. And he said, "That's the key to the whole story, isn't it?" He said, "That's right, Walt, that's it." And that's the day he put us under contract. So he means a lot to me. He did. That was the day that he put us under contract to him. And 10 greatest years of my life, working for Walt Disney. And of course, we've been connected ever since. But this is his song. And I used to go to his office every once in a while. Bob and I on a Friday would get a call. We'd come down there and we'd talk about what we were working on, of course. He knew what we were working on, but he still talked to us about it. And then he'd look out the north window and he'd say, of his office, and he'd say, "Play it." And I played it for him. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way, to the people she calls, "Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. What it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries. While overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the saints and apostles look down as she sends her wings. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. How do you follow that?